Hey guys, here in Wisconsin, I just caught this probably 15-inch carp off a black and wrap, silver and black and red. First fish of the day, gonna let it go. Really crappy, hope to catch big fish. See you guys. Hey guys, nice little walleye. Probably 12 to 13 inches. We're gonna let it go now. See ya. Bye.
Record to record.
Yeah, order.
Okay, here we go. Here, my brother's got a nice carp here. Doing some weird thing with the slips. Alright. Brother just got a nice carp here off
At Beaver Dam Lake in Wisconsin.
off a clacking wrap.
Yeah, my fourth or fifth fish of the day. Probably 20 inches, couple pounds. Yeah, we're gonna let it go now.
Nick just got this nice northern here. We're in a river, kind of by Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Right here, let me get him.
Right by a dam here. Probably about
30 inches.
30 inches here. Nice northern.
Should we weigh it?
No,
Let's scale up. Top thing. We'll get the weight.
Hold on, we're gonna weigh it, guys. Staying with us here. Hold on. Alright. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, guys. Didn't mean to swear there. Got a little rattled.
Here, I'll do it.
I got it.
Oh, you gotta hold the camera. You have to get under the gill. In here. Yep.
4 pounds.
4 pounds, 1 ounce.
4 pounds, 1 ounces.
Okay, we'll give you one more view of it. Get that scale out of there, Matt.
4 pounds.
One more view.
I'll show you it, guys. Look, 4 pounds, 1 ounces.
Right here.
Here's a northern.
4.
Nice fish there.
Probably 30 inches. 4 pounds, 1
Look
ounce,
at them
guys.
teeth. Look at that mouth. Okay, see.
Okay, we're gonna let it go. We're gonna get a
We're
release.
getting a nice release on it for you guys. Down on the rocks here. Put it right in this here.
There she goes. Okay, Matt caught this one. It's like his third fish of the day. Big carp. I'd say probably 5 pounds. Nice carp. We're not gonna weigh it, but 5 pounds we're gonna say. Okay, I see you guys. Just chuck it. Chuck it. Chuck it. Just chuck it in. Hey guys, caught a grass carp. Oh, got a big one, guys. Oh, it is. It's like my 8th fish of the day, guys. Oh. Probably like my 10th fish, guys. See ya. Well, I couldn't exactly tell. It looked like some kind of rough fish. Dude, what is it? Dude, get it over here.
Is that a bull?
Buffalo's a real giant.
Hey, is it okay if I grab him by the mouth?
Yeah, right in the gill.
Right in the gill?
Yeah. He's only got stuff in the lip, he won't hurt you.
I've caught 4 carp and 4 bass. Are you allowed to leave the carp on shore? Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Man, is that lined up good?
Yep.
Couple pound carp, Matt's like 7 fish. See you guys, slide it back, Matt. Matt.
Clear. Now you gonna have big suckers too?
Yeah. What is it? Do you see?
I don't know.
Oh, it's not one of these grass carp. Oh my god, this thing's a giant. Hey Matt, want to toss me the pliers?
keeping it?
No, do you guys want it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can have it, man.
Oh.
Here, can I hold it up for my camera quick?
Yeah.
There, guys. Carp. Okay, you can take it now if you want.
You, Jose. Make sure I'll come back.